Hey there, welcome back to Master Engineers. Today, we're diving into one of the most common and annoying issues in every home, toilet and bathroom waterproofing. And let me guess, if you're here, you're probably tired of seeing water stains, dripping ceilings, or maybe even leaks that just won't stop. Right? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm going to break down the entire waterproofing process, step by step, in a way that's super simple and easy to follow. Believe me, waterproofing is not rocket science. If you follow the method I'm about to show you, your structure can stay leakage-free for the next 10 to 15 years. Let's get started. Step 1. Find the source of the leakage. Before jumping into solutions, you need to play detective. Ask yourself, is the leakage coming from damaged internal plumbing lines? Is it leaking around borehole pipe connections? Are there cracks in the concrete slab? Are the cracks static, non-moving, or dynamic, expanding, contracting? Once you find the root cause, fixing it becomes much easier. Step 2. Choose the right waterproofing material. Now that you know what you're dealing with, let's choose the right material for the job. There are plenty of options in the market. Polyurea, polyurethane, cement-based coatings, bitumen-based systems, and membranes like PVC and TPO. In this video, we'll focus on cement-based waterproofing because it's affordable, reliable, and readily available in most places. Step 3. Surface preparation, the secret to long-lasting waterproofing. This step is critical. Don't skip it. Start by removing all loose cement slurry using a grinder. Clean the surface thoroughly. Check for visible cracks, and if found, open them up to about 15 mm wide and 10 mm deep. For static cracks, use polymer-modified repair mortar. Mix ratio for repair mortar: 1 kg SBR latex happy smiley kg water, 7 kg cement, 20 kg fine sand. Also use the same mortar to create 50 mm x 50 mm carving in all corners. For dynamic cracks, apply flexible material like flexible PVC tape or sealant. Fill any voids, blowholes, or honeycombs with the same mortar, and cure the surface with water for 2 to 3 days. Step 4. Borehole packing. Fix the pipe penetrations. Leaks near plumbing pipes are very common. Clean the boreholes thoroughly. Place the pipe properly. At the bottom side, seal the gap using backer rod or cement. Fill the remaining space with high-strength, non-shrink, flowable grout. Pro tip: use reliable brands like Sika, Ultratech, MYK, or Fosroc. Step 5. Pre-bonding test. Check before you coat. Before applying any waterproofing layer, perform a leak test. Fill the bathroom floor with 50 mm of water. Leave it for 2 days. Observe the underside for any signs of leakage. If leaks appear, start with cementitious grouting. If leaks persist, go for PU or epoxy-based pressure grouting to close all active leaks completely. Step 6. Apply the waterproofing system. Now comes the main part, waterproofing. If your budget allows, go for polyurea or polyurethane coatings. They offer white heavy checkmark excellent flexibility, elongation, white heavy checkmark high tensile strength, white heavy checkmark resistance to punctures and movement. However, if these aren't available or are too expensive, no worries, go with cement-based waterproofing. Here's the basic mix ratio: 1 kg SBR latex, 3 kg water, 8 kg cement. Note, this ratio can vary by brand. Always check the product's technical data sheet for exact instructions. Apply to 2-3 coats using a brush. Per coat consumption: 350 to 400 grams per square meter. Total consumption: 1 to 1.2 kg per square meter. Cure the surface with water for 3 to 4 days. Step 7. Post-bonding test. Final check. Once waterproofing is done and cured, again, fill the bathroom with 50 mm of water. Leave it for 48 hours. Check carefully for any leakages. If leakage is found, repeat the grouting process as discussed earlier. Step 8. Screed and tile. Time to wrap up. Apply a protective screed with proper slope towards the drainage outlet. Once the screed is in place and cured, lay your tiles. And just like that, you're ready to take a stress-free, leak-free shower. Found this video helpful? Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Engineers for more smart solutions and technical how-tos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.